To be really honest, my personal experiences of love, whether it's romantic love or any other, even a mother-son love, are so deeply embedded in me as to what people would like and how you should be in love. I think when you are in love or you're loving someone in whatever relationship, the bottom line is you just be yourself. You don't try to, yeah, of course, in movies, in a comic way or in a macho way or whatever, we do a few things which are a little over the top or larger than life. But personally, I don't think my perception of relationship or love has ever changed. It's just being able to, as simple as making each other smile a little and laugh with each other. And if you can do the basic, simple things of life, we actually lose out on love and romance when we start looking at the bigger things. कि मैं उसके लिए ये करूँगा, मैं उसके लिए वो करूँगा और ये चांद तारे तोड़ के लाऊँगा. I think love is actually resides in very small, simple things. Just being able to take care or just listening and giving a hug. I know it sounds a little girl-like, and I do believe girls know how to love better than men. My perception of love hasn't changed. It's not gone in any other space apart from the space that it just needs to be very personal, very quiet, and if you can just laugh with each other. So mine has not changed at all. So I feel, though in my 40s now, and I still feel that I understand and I can somehow emote love. It's not changed too much. Yeah, maybe the physicality has changed a little in terms of enacting it, but that is more as an actor than as a lover. That, I've learned a lot more. I can be briefer or, more brevity would have come in my expressions to express the same thing than, say, 20 years ago. But besides that, there is no change in my heart. I do fall in love with the whole idea, the story, the thought, the belief of love. I'm in love, yeah, when I'm doing a film like this, and I please don't cheapen it. It's not in terms of an actor or an actress. I just like the whole idea of the love story that, say, Katrina, Meera in the film, and Anushka and me. I like the whole idea of love. I believe in it. I believe in every scene that is being said. I may not do it in my real life because you don't get those instances too often. But yeah, I completely keep it as what has been for the last 20 years, 25 years.